Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the order of collections on the collections list page in Shopify Dawn theme. So what you'll need to do is go to your admin, then click on edit theme. Right here you'll need to navigate through this drop down menu and select collections list, and after that you'll see collections list page on the left, and right here you'll see a sort collections. So select, you can sort it from A to Z, Z to A, date new to old to new, and high to low or low to high by product count. So select one of those, then just click save to save all the changes, and that's how you can change the order of collections on the collections list. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.